To obtain a QR code for setting up Okta Verify, follow these steps. Sign into your Okta account. On your computer, navigate to your organization's Okta sign-in page. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Initiate Okta Verify setup. After signing in, you may be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication. If so, click Setup under Okta Verify. If you're not prompted, go to your account settings. Click on your profile or name in the upper right corner. Select Settings. Scroll down to Extra Verification. Click Setup next to Okta Verify. Choose your device type. Select your device type when prompted. Click Next to proceed. Download and open Okta Verify app. On your mobile device, download the Okta Verify app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Get Started. Scan the QR code. In the Okta Verify app, tap Add Account or the plus icon. Choose Organization as the account type. When prompted, allow camera access. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. The app will automatically scan the QR code and add your account. If you're setting up Okta Verify on a new device or need to regenerate the QR code, sign into your Okta account on your computer. Navigate to Settings, Extra Verification. Click Remove next to Okta Verify. Confirm the removal. Click Setup next to Okta Verify to generate a new QR code.